Welcome to the top best. The best hanging candles is probably one of the most versatile and enchanting decorations you can add to your Halloween setup, instantly transforming any space into a spooky and atmospheric wonderland with their flickering, ethereal glow, creating a truly magical ambience that captivates and delights your guests, making your haunted house the talk of the neighborhood and ensuring a memorable and thrilling experience for everyone who dares to enter. Number 5. Amagic 12 PCS Flameless LED Taper Candles. Introducing the Amagic Flameless LED Taper Candles, a set of 12 realistic candles designed to bring a warm glow to any occasion. These are perfect for creating a magical ambience without the worry of real flames. Each candle features a warm white flickering flame and a dripping wax design, mimicking the look of traditional candles. They provide a safe alternative, eliminating fire hazards and messy wax strips, making them ideal for homes with pets and children. These versatile candles are perfect for a wide range of events, from Halloween and Christmas to weddings, parties, and everyday home decor. Use them on your dinner table, in church, or as window candles to enhance any setting. Simply insert 2 AA batteries into each candle and twist the bulb to turn it on. For a truly magical effect, you can even hang them from the ceiling with fishing line to create the illusion of floating candles. Crafted from durable plastic with long-lasting LED bulbs, these candles are built to last. Each one measures 6.5 inches tall and includes rubber rings for a secure fit in most candle holders. We ensure each candle is rigorously tested before shipping. If you encounter any issues, our customer support team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution. What we like? These offer a magical hanging effect, perfect for creating an ethereal atmosphere. If you're looking to add a whimsical touch to your Halloween party or a church event, these are a fantastic choice. They provide a safe, worry-free ambience. What people say. Love that it has a remote that turns them all on and off. They work really well, the remote makes them easy to control, and the batteries last a long time. They all work with one remote, which I think is the best part. They look great and flicker a warm glow. Number 4. Brink House Gypsy Color 4 Light Crystal Chandelier. Introducing the Brink House 4 Light Crystal Chandelier, a stunning addition to any room. Its elegant design and crystal accents will transform your living spaces. Perfect for any area, from your entryway and dining room to bedrooms and even the garage. This fixture offers versatile lighting solutions for every part of your home. Crafted with the highest quality, thick, and faceted acrylic crystals. These are incredibly light yet strong, made from the same material used in bulletproof windows. Designed for convenience, it ships folded flat and is almost fully assembled. This innovative approach reduces packaging, weight, damage, and waste. Assembly is a breeze. Simply unfold the arms, position the cups, and connect the strands. It's ready to illuminate your space in minutes. Rest assured with its UL certification, guaranteeing the highest safety and quality standards. This fixture meets the top safety ratings available in lighting. What we like? This chandelier brings a touch of elegance with its crystal accents and a convenient flush mount design. If you're looking to upgrade a smaller room like a nursery or hallway with a stylish and safe lighting fixture, this is an excellent option. Its innovative design also minimizes shipping damage and waste. What people say. The fixture was folded flat in a cardboard housing and held stable for shipment. This enabled the fixture to come out of the box and simply unfold with zero assembly required. The chain and cord is about 5 foot long, more than adequate for most installations. The canopy kit is a standard style with lock ring, which makes for easy installation. It was the look I needed for my shoot, it had a ton of details and came with everything I needed to hang it. Number 3. SHYMERY Mini Lantern with Flickering LED Candles, set of 6. Introducing our mini decorative lanterns, designed with a vintage Moroccan style. They bring a warm glow without any of the risks associated with real flames. Each lantern features a flickering LED candle that mimics the look of a real flame. It's perfect for creating a warm and romantic atmosphere in any setting. These lanterns are battery-powered and come with included batteries. Enjoy over 120 hours of continuous, non-stop use, providing light for your events and decor. With a convenient switch and a hanging ring, these can be placed on any surface or hung anywhere. They are ideal for weddings, parties, holidays, and everyday home decor. You'll receive a set of 6 mini lanterns, offering plenty of options to enhance your Halloween, Christmas, or any special occasion decorations. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, please reach out, and we'll ensure your problem is resolved promptly. What we like. These mini lanterns offer a charming vintage aesthetic and come in a convenient set of 6. If you want to add a warm, romantic glow to your table centerpieces for a wedding or create a cozy atmosphere for your home during the holidays, these are ideal. They are also safe and long-lasting. What people say. These mini lanterns are absolutely adorable and perfect for Western-themed decor. The size is just right for table centerpieces, and the vintage black finish gives them a charming rustic look. All bright lights that still worked after 3 hours for an event. They look great and flicker lightly as to not be too distracting. Number 2. Soundvalue 6-pack Vampire Tears Taper Candles. Introducing our set of 6 Vampire Tears Taper Candles. Each candle offers approximately 2 hours of burn time, perfect for setting the mood at your next Halloween party. For a safe and clean burn, ensure the wick is trimmed to 1/4 inch before lighting. This will create elegant blood streaks rather than messy blobs. These black candlesticks are designed to look like they are bleeding when lit. They add a spooky touch and enhance the Halloween atmosphere in your home. Standing 10 inches tall with a traditional tapered design, they fit most standard candle holders and candelabras. Create a dramatic and refined ambience for your gothic dinner or vampire movie scene. These candles are designed to meet your needs for a truly immersive experience. While perfect for Halloween, these unscented black taper candles can also be used for daily decoration or shared with friends. What we like. These taper candles are designed to create a dramatic, spooky bleeding effect, perfect for a gothic or vampire-themed Halloween. If you're aiming for a truly immersive and unsettling atmosphere for your party or a movie-themed scene, these will certainly deliver. They fit standard candle holders for easy integration into your decor. What people say. The flame flickers realistically, creating a spooky ambience. They are easy to hang with the included chains and hooks. The remote control function allows for convenient operation, including timer settings. Number 1. LOGROTATE 3D Printing Moon Lamp. Introducing a unique night light for your child's room. Made with advanced 3D printing, it features a realistic moon shape to create a peaceful atmosphere for a blissful slumber. This moon lamp offers 16 vibrant colors that can flash, fade, or strobe, creating a dreamlike ambience. You can also adjust the brightness to create a soft, comforting glow for bedtime. Easily change colors and brightness with the included remote control or touch functionality. It even includes a timer to set it for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design with its built-in rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via USB and place it anywhere you like, even hold it in your hand. It's a comfortable night light and a perfect decoration for bedrooms, parties, and more. It also makes a wonderful and mysterious gift for friends and family on any occasion. What we like. This moon lamp offers a unique and customizable ambience with 16 color options and convenient remote control. If you're looking for a creative night light for a child's room, a romantic mood setter for a dinner, or a charming decorative piece, this lamp is a versatile choice. Its rechargeable battery means no messy cords. What people say. So many different colors and settings and brightness. Makes a great night light or just an overall fun light. Dimmable, multiple colors and functions, very lightweight, looks really nice in complete darkness. The little one loves the moon, so it was fun seeing the excitement when they get to touch the moon. It was thrown across the room and kicked a ton but still works. The remote is so handy. It's a great size for nightlight, play or decor. It takes the abuse of toddlers, so it so far seems sturdy, but when they play with it they are gentle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.